Hi, I'm Chef Veronica Rains, head baker of Wholesome Chow. Today I have a little tip for you when rolling out your sugar cookies. Why use flour to flour your cutting board when you can use powdered sugar? This is a great way to add nice little sweet crispiness to your cookies without adding too much flour. Because when you roll the cookies nice and thin, they pick up all of that excess flour and that creates not as good of a cookie. So all you need is a cutting board, a little bit of powdered sugar, a rolling pin, and your sugar cookie dough. Just very quickly sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar onto your cutting board. You can smear it around a little bit, create a nice floured work surface. Pat my dough into a nice little round disc. Then we're going to roll it out using a nice wood rolling pin. I prefer the kind that don't have the little handles. So you want to roll out and away, rolling your dough to about 3/8 of an inch. All right, the edges don't have to be perfect because we're going to get rid of those with the cookie cutters. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed that tip.